This is Yujun Wang, and this is my YouTube video for Chapter 7, Exercise 11 for Computer Science 110, Section 1, Spring 2019. So this question asks us to revisit the drunk pirate problem from the exercises in Chapter 3, but this time the drunk pirate makes a turn and then takes some steps forward and repeats this, and we are given some pair of data, and we are asked to use a turtle to draw the path taken by the drunk pirate. So as usual, I import the turtle module to let the Python allow us to use turtle, and I create a playground and a screen for the turtle to draw, and I named my turtle as usual with test. So I wrote a function which will run the program, which is draw path. It has t and list. It will use the turtle to draw the path taken by the drunk pirate. So we are given a list of pairs of data. So I use a for loop to draw the path taken by the pirate. So for I in list, so the turtle will first turn left. So the I0 is so it's the index 0 in the array represents the angle each time it will turn, and the index 1 in the array which represents the numbers of steps each time it will take. So after the for loop, we have the I type the all the experiment status in it, and then we can run the program. So it's probably like this. And that's it.